Alright guys, here's a tool review for you. Called the channellock 927 8-inch, and there's your inner and your inner and outer dimensions. And they are made in good old USA. What these are right there they are. Retaining pin pliers. What you get in the package with that is these. There are extra tips if you need them. Right now the thing's got the copper ones, which is a .70. That's all of them now. And here's the tools. I like these ones compared to all of them that I've ever used, because they squeeze and you can really get open pretty much. It's got the reverse on them. That lever right there that goes towards out, and here's you bring them in. Which I like them, they're pretty nice. I mean, I can put a clip on in 3 seconds with them. These ones right here was $20 at Menards. I like the price compared to a $5 pair of cheapies that you have to. The pin broke at the back, so I had to put a cotter pin in, and you have to switch them around, and they don't open as far. And if they do, the head just don't open enough. And here's the ones that my dad had. And these things are up there in age, older than I am. And I finally found a pair that I replaced them with. And these just had the reversible heads on them. You unscrew them and flop the heads. But they just died. So let's do a comparison of how quick I can put one of these on. Just squeeze them. I'll be back. Take two, guys. Let's try that again without throwing my cotter pin all over the place. Let's see if I can set you guys up. Let's see, can you guys see that shaft? Yes. That quick. There it is. So there's a review on a pair of channellock 927s snap rings. And did I mention they're made in good old USA?